Ikaw ba tapos na?
Merry Christmas. Hi there, all of you in the Philippines.
Sa Moxie.
Sa PLDT Moxie, Merry Christmas to all of you and prosperous New Year. And Tony,
Dali yung prito ni Ulam.
Tony.
Ni Osan.
Manny, Rosan, Val, everything, everyone.
Presidente.
Tony, thank you!
Tony, thank you sa pasalubong mo kay Marcus. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas this year.
Bakit kay Osang wala? Ba't sa akin wala ka pa sa lubong? Balik na kita.
Again, my warmest greetings to all of you PLDT Moxie members. And my parents, may I
Talagang
give to all
sinama-sama?
of you.
Dapat hiwalay.
Puputulin ba? Magbabay ka na.
Bye-bye!